Today I'm going to talk to you about something different, what most people don't actually talk about, and it's creating an abundant mindset.
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
See, I think one of the big things in business is mindset. Most people don't talk about it because they have a broken mindset. Now, you're probably watching a lot of other people's YouTube videos, and good for you, that's great stuff. The thing is, you're seeing all these people have all these tactics, and that's great if you want to build a 5-figure business, maybe a 6-figure business, and you can probably scoot your way into a 7-figure business. For us personally, I'm trying to build a multi-8-figure business. I'm trying to really scale. I have a lot of things that I want to achieve, and inside of business, inside of all these things, it comes from mindset. First off, not having a scarcity mindset. See, a lot of people won't put content out like this, won't give the content that we give through ads and all that kind of stuff, is because they feel that they can charge and sell that content. And while sure, that's true, I have an abundant mindset. I'll give you guys everything because 1, I know that only like 5% of you are gonna do it. 2, I know that if I really help you, you'll come work with us in different capacities. You'll join our coaching programs. You'll hire us for consulting. You'll introduce us to a friend that'll help. And so I have a more abundant mindset, and I challenge you guys to have a more abundant mindset in everything that you do. 2, to have an abundant mindset, you need to be grateful. See, a lot of people are always upset of where they are, upset that they're not hitting the next level. But too many times, if you ask the people that are extremely successful, they're not upset, they're grateful. I'm always grateful. I write every single day things that I'm grateful for, and I know that sounds cheesy. I used to think it was cheesy too, but it really helps me when I hit a milestone or where I'm not where I want to be. I really sit back and I go back into how grateful I am that I'm able to do these things, that I'm able to work with the people that I'm able to work with, that I'm able to eat the way I eat and hang out the way I hang out. 4 or 5 years ago, I had no business. I didn't know what to do next. I was kind of lost and broken, and now, you know, we have a thriving business. We're working to build a multiple 8-figure business. We've got a lot of things going on, and it's all great, but I'm grateful for the times that sucked because I do not think that I would be here if those times had not taught me certain lessons. Always be grateful for where you are. And number 3, as you build your business and you build your mindset, think bigger. It's gonna create a bigger abundance mindset inside of yourself. Okay, so for us, in mindset, I used to think smaller. When I first started, I wanted $3,000 a month, and I didn't think about groceries and food because I was like, hey, I'm gonna go to my parents' house and eat. I like could not compute making more than $3,000 a month. I was like, I don't know how that would even happen. I can go to my parents and eat. I just can pay for my house and cars and stuff with this and have some other money. Then it was $10,000, and then it was $100,000, and then it was $1 million, and now it's like multiple $1 million. As I really noticed, what's changed is my adaptation of thinking that things are acceptable and non-acceptable. And what do I mean by that? A lot of entrepreneurs that are hitting 5 and 6 figures, they're stuck there because their mind is stuck there. I never knew that I could hit $1 million a month until I hit it. But once I hit $1 million a month, doing $100,000 a month on something is just irrelevant to me. It's just like the beginning. It's like how people are like, hey, I make 1,000 or 10,000. That's like my baseline. My baseline's 100 grand. And I'm not saying that to be some sort of way or to like make you feel like I'm doing good. No, it's like my mindset changed and it shifted. And so now if I start something, it has to hit $100,000 within 30 to 60 to 90 days, or else it's like not working for me because this is just normal to me. And I can hit it. I've always managed to hit it because I see the numbers now and it's just basic math. But I broke out of that mindset. I shifted my mind from being scarcity and being like, oh, well, like, what if I could hit 100 to like, all right, well, we have to do this. This is the plan, right? My plans are bigger. My thought process is bigger. It's because I'm more abundant in my mindset. And because I am more abundant in my mindset, my strategies are bigger. And I've been able to do these things because I've been able to think of business in a bigger, broader scope. Like before, I just wanted to make money. Then I just wanted to make money for me and the people that were here to do okay. Now I have a mission and I have a vision, and I want to build the largest influencer management company in the world. Work with influencers, own brands with influencers, scale that to be like a huge Procter & Gamble and be the biggest one in the world. And then I want to have a coaching and accelerator company that helps entrepreneurs and business people learn how to do these things and have one of the best coaching and consulting companies in the planet. Those are my 2 missions. That is it. And that's all I care about. That's what I wake up to do. That's what I wake up to like focus on. That's the videos that I shoot. Everything has a purpose now. I'm extremely purpose driven because I built a mission and a vision inside of my life and my business. Now I'm able to show everybody, hey, are you aligned with this? Is this what you want to do? And everyone that works here is aligned with the mission and the vision. And then that creates core values and that creates a culture. And it's just expanded everything. And then we realize, well, if we want to do this, $1 million a month just isn't enough. We've got to scale to a crazy amount of scale, and that's going to take us maybe a decade. And that's fine, because we can hit all these goals because we're mission driven and we're abundance mindset driven, and we're not held by scarcity or other people's thought processes. I don't care when I go to parties and events and I tell people my dreams and where I am, and people like talk negatively or tell me that I can't. I just understand that their mindset's broken and they can't see the things that I can see. And that is it. That is the difference between me and other people. I can see the things that I want to achieve as achievable, and they can see the things that they want to achieve as dreams. I don't dream, I have goals. And that's the huge difference. When you shift the way you think, you shift the way you act. And when you shift the way you act, the shift happens on everything that you focus on and everything that you create. And when you do these things, results start to happen, and you build consistency inside of your business, inside of your life, and every single thing that you do. So I hope that you guys understand that and can apply serious abundance mindset, mission driven, and core value based concepts inside of your business. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and say mission, vision, goals, and I will talk to you guys. We will have conversations inside, and if you want to have more conversations, join our Facebook group. It's got a lot of great stuff inside of it. Don't forget to subscribe, join the notifications, and stay up to date to all the videos that we shoot every single week. I'll see you guys on the next video.